This is another low effort kind of tutorial-ish video. So I make these title cards with like minimal effort, but unfortunately, sometimes getting these images are a big pain in the ass. Like I'm making one for Tesla versus Lovecraft because wow, it's really great. And sometimes it's stupidly easy. Like if I want to grab the Tesla logo, the Tesla versus Lovecraft logo, I can just grab it off the page and stick it on my desktop. But this other one here of Lovecraft and Tesla duking it out with their various monster beasts, that's this background image. And if you try to drag it off, it doesn't work. You can grab like other things around here, but it doesn't work. There was also this other image for Aloy from Horizon Zero Dawn that I picked up a while back that I never used, I don't think. Um, and it's another one of these background images that you can't grab. So here's how you can grab them. There's an F12 key, and now it's a lot of fishing. This I'm not going to subject you to a lot of fishing because I already know where they are. But basically, you have to go through the sources in these elements and look for it. Like here's an obvious place to look. It says images. Well, let's look at all these images. You go through and none of these are the one that we want. Um, this is the Tesla versus Lovecraft logo, and you can just like open this in a new page and pick it up here. But the background one, not so obvious where it is. But if you go through all of these, eventually you'll find something called files, or you just dig through it, and you will eventually find the other images that are on the screen here. Like here, this is that image right here, or the Lovecraft logo that we want, and you can open it up in a new tab, and there it is, and you can grab it and put it on your desktop. Same thing with the Horizon Zero Dawn. You open up your F12 and like, oh my god, there's all this shit to dig through, and you look through it and it's like, oh wow, okay, here's some fonts. That's actually kind of nice to know. But as far as finding the other one, is it under media? Well, probably because I already looked there. And here's the ESRB logo, footers. Here is another image of Aloy that's further up the page, and you just keep going through. The clicking you hear is me hitting the down arrow and the enter key so that I can scan these. And there it is. You open it up in a new tab and you grab it. And you can take stuff like that and make these really mediocre title cards. So, if this was helpful, you're welcome. In the meantime, remember, brush teeth, wear your seatbelt, and always be kind to one another.